Alright, good morning guys. Welcome to another episode of Off-Axis Builds. Got the trailer in the background there fully built. We're going to be doing the mods on this trailer, so stay tuned and I'll walk you through each mod. Got about 12 different mods we'll be doing.
So that's the location I'm going to install it on the tongue when it's fully up. When it's fully up, it'll allow me to rotate this to where it's about a ½ inch off of this beam, and then that foot will be forward, or I can completely remove it. So I like that location. Now all that's left is to grind the paint off, take this sleeve out and weld it to this beam, and that's done. So stay tuned, I'll show you what the process is on that.
Alright guys, so now we're going to be installing the jack stand, and I don't want to be welding on this frame with electrical in it, so we're going to have to take off the head. Those two bolts are going to have to come off and remove that so I can pull the electrical wire out, and then I'll just rerun it. Over here. One right here. Okay. Hold on to both of them. Okay. Exactly that. Okay. Actually, no, hold on. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start cutting that tire mount so I can get that out of the way, so I can actually connect my jack stand. So I want to get that cut out of the way so I can have that ready for the next project. Alright, so when you're welding this guy on, you want to make sure you weld the long side, not the short side, because you want this hole to be able to stick as far into the jack as possible when it's attached. So I'm going to go ahead and weld this guy on to the frame. Alright, so there you go. Got that piece welded on nicely. Just got to put a little coat of paint on it. Now it'll stand up on its own means without using that lean-to. So I may or may not leave that on. Want to get the rest of the work done before I decide I'm going to cut that off or not. So anyways, there it is. Alright, so I got the jack stand on. It's all painted, welded up. Being held up by the jack stand, not this guy anymore. Pretty simple mod, easy to do. They do make clamp-on types. You don't know how to weld. I just like this type because it was cleaner looking, and it did the job for what I needed, because I could remove it and put it in my toolbox. So anyways, thanks guys for watching. Join me on the next trailer mod.